Planning to ship your car to the Czech Republic? Whether you're moving, buying, or selling a vehicle internationally, today I'll guide you through the easiest and most efficient way to ship your car overseas. Let's dive in. There are two main ways to ship your car internationally: by container shipping or roll-on/roll-off, also called Ro-Ro. Container shipping keeps your car secure inside a sealed container, while Ro-Ro involves driving your car onto a ship. Next, prepare your car for shipment. Clean it thoroughly and document its condition with photos. Remove all personal belongings and make sure your fuel tank is only about a quarter full to reduce weight. Paperwork is crucial for smooth customs clearance. You'll need your vehicle title or registration, a valid ID, and a commercial invoice if applicable. If you're not the owner, a power of attorney may be required. Partner with an experienced auto transport company specializing in shipments to the Czech Republic. They handle customs, port fees, and provide tracking. Ask about insurance options for peace of mind. Czech customs may require duties and taxes depending on your vehicle's age and value. Make sure to verify import regulations, emission standards, and any required inspections to avoid surprises. International shipping times vary, typically 2 to 6 weeks. Once your car arrives, you'll be notified for pickup or delivery. Make sure to inspect your car thoroughly upon arrival. And that's how you ship a car to the Czech Republic without hassle. For smooth international auto transport, planning and choosing the right partners is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more auto shipping tips.